On today's show, guess the car names by their Hot Wheels. Or not, because this time it is guess the car names by the CENTY Toys. So if you guys have watched my CENTY Toys unboxing, it'll be pretty easy. You guys know the rules. You have 3 different levels and each car gets 10 seconds. And don't worry about the scoreboard, it'll be in the end of the video. The rules are simple, guys. Just check it out. It'll be on the screen right here. Alright, so let's begin. Without any further ado, first car, here we go. And good luck. Level easy. Which car is this? Time's up, and this is the Ford EcoSport. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Second car. Which car is this? Time's up, and this is the Hyundai i10, guys. Moving on to the next. Which car is this? Time's up, and this is the 2009 Toyota Innova. Alright, moving on to the next level. Level medium. Which car is this? Time's up, and this is the 3rd gen Suzuki Swift. On to the next car. Which car is this? Time's up, and this is the Hyundai i20. Okay, moving on to the next round. Level hard. Which car is this? Time's up, and this is the Honda City ZX. On to the next car. Last car. Which car is this? Time's up, and this is the Volkswagen Tiguan concept. Now total all your points. Alright, so these are the categories you belong to, guys. Check your scores properly, and also that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for my weekly video updates, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I'll be posting these cars images in more detail. Alright, see you then. Bye bye. Enjoy. DCS out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.